The Devil's Kettle in Minnesota is a fascinating mystery of nature. Here, a stunning waterfall pours into a hole, but instead of flowing out, part of the water simply vanishes. Scientists have tried everything from colored dye to ping pong balls, but the underground path remains elusive. It's like nature's own magic trick. This unique phenomenon challenges our understanding of hydrology and reminds us that some secrets of the Earth are still waiting to be uncovered. Imagine standing there, watching water disappear, and pondering where it goes. It's a captivating blend of beauty and enigma.